Hi, awesome readers! My first peekaboo animals will be our book for today, written by Eric Carle. When you see the cover, what do you think? What is the book about? I will read you some animals' characteristics, and you will guess. What animal is hiding under the flaps? So, the book is about an animal guessing game. Let's start reading. I have a long trunk and a big floppy ears. I roam in the grass, where I live for many years. Let's guess who's there. I'm an elephant. I'm a big cat, but I don't purr. I've got black stripes and bright orange fur. Let's guess who's back. I'm a tiger. I can swim in the water, but I walk very slow. If I get scared, into my shell I go. Can you guess? Peekaboo! I'm a turtle. With my long tail, I swing in the trees. I have fuzzy brown fur, and I hang by my knees. Guess, what animal is hiding under the flap? I'm a monkey. I like to gallop up hills and eat lots of hay. I have a silky coat, and I sometimes say neigh. Let's guess who's there. I'm a horse. I flitter and I flutter and I flap my wings. I come in many colors, like flowers do in spring. Let's guess. What is hiding under the flap? I'm a butterfly. I am little and green, and I hop all around. When I sit on my lily pad, I make a croaking sound. Can you guess? What animal is hiding under the flap? I'm a frog. I roar the loudest, and I have a furry mane. I like to wander about in the jungle or on the plains. Let's guess. Who's there? I'm a lion. Thank you, my little friends, for helping me to find all over the animals.